Okay, this one is sum number 3 from your board book, exercise 7.2. What is given here? O is the orthocenter of triangle ABC. Now ortho, this one means perpendicular. Whenever you will get ortho the word, that one means perpendicular. So orthocenter means where the perpendiculars of that three perpendiculars will meet at the point O. So O is the orthocenter. I am repeating once more that at which point the perpendiculars, that three perpendiculars will meet, that point is called the orthocenter of the triangle. So here O is the orthocenter of the triangle ABC. Extended AD intersect the circumcircle at the point G. So first, it will be extended AO. It's okay. Extended AD, this one is okay. It is D. So AD will be extended up to G. That means extended AD intersects the circumcircle at the point G here. Now what do we have to prove? OD equals to DG. OD equals to DG. This one we have to prove. What is construction here? BG and CG are joined. Now I will start the proof part. First try to understand. To prove that OD, that means this one, equals to DG, first I will prove that these two triangles are congruent. If I can prove this one, that these two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT we can say that corresponding sides of congruent triangles are equal. So OD equals to DG. Before that, I will show one thing here about these two triangles. This one and this one. Now follow properly. If I will take this one as E and F. So in triangle AOE and triangle OBD, AOE and triangle OBD, this one. First I can say that angle OEA equals to angle ODB equals to 90 degree. Next we can say one thing here. If you will observe properly, these two are vertically opposite angle. So one I have got 90 degree, another one vertically opposite angle. So I will write it here. This one you can write down by given. Angle AOE equals to vertically opposite angle FOB. BOD. AOE and BOD, these two are vertically opposite angle. So if in these two triangles corresponding two angles are equal, that means obviously the third angle will be obviously equal. So we can say that angle OAE equals to angle OBD. Remaining angles are equal. Since two angles of two triangles are equal, so we can say that the third remaining angle will be obviously equal. So I will mark it up here. That means this angle and this angle, both are same. These two are same till now. Now I will take angle DAC equals to angle CBG. You also can take it here GAC, both are same. DAC and GAC both are same, so I am taking here GAC. Better to understand. GAC and CBG both are same. Now both are same, but why? Try to understand this one. If I will take angle GAC, means this one, and if I will take angle CBG, means this one. Now if I will make you understand this one, this angle and this angle, both are lying on the same arc GC. Now try to observe properly this one. Angle GAC lying on the arc GC. Similarly, angle GBC lying on the arc GC. So you know that if two angles are lying on the same arc, that means both the angles are equal. So just write down lying on the same arc, that is GC. Now if we will observe properly one thing here, angle GAC equals to angle CBG, and already I have got it that angle OAE equals to angle OBD. That means if I will take now these two triangles, so these two angles are equal. Why? Because this one equals to this one and this one is also equals to that one. So we can say that both of them are equal. So I will write it here that therefore angle OBD equals to angle CBG. Till now we have found it. Now what will I write? I will take in triangle OBD and triangle BDG. Now I have taken these two triangles. We have to prove congruency. Number 1, angle ODB equals to angle BDG equals to 90 degree. You know, since it is perpendicular, so this one is 90 and this one is also 90 degree. It is number 1. Number 2, we can say these triangles are equal. That means angle OBD equals to angle DBG. Okay, these two are equal. Why? Already I have proved it here. Angle OBD equals to angle, I have written here DBG, DBG and CBG both are same. This one. Okay. Now number 3, I will say that BD is common side. BD is common side. So 3 conditions done. We can say from here that therefore triangle OBD is congruent to triangle BDG. Therefore, since these two triangles are congruent, we can say that therefore OD equals to DG. That means corresponding sides of congruent triangles are equal. This one was RTP. I have proved it here. I will repeat once more. Please follow me properly. What is given here? Circumcircle. ABC is a triangle. It is given. O is the orthocenter. That means these 3 perpendiculars AD, BE and CF intersect at the point O. F I have not mentioned here. If you want, you can mention this one in given, because orthocenter, that means CF is also perpendicular. Now RTP. RTP is what? OD equals to DG. To prove that, I have to draw BG and CG, both of them. Now I will start from these two triangles. Number 1, it is 90 degree, this one is 90 degree. Both are vertically opposite angles. So obviously the remaining angles are equal. That one, angle OAE equals to angle OBC or OBD. Whatever you can write it. Done. Up to done this one. Now I will prove that these two triangles are congruent. So before that I have to show one more thing. Since that arc is GC here, both the angles GBC and angles GAC lying on the same arc GC, so both are equal. Now we observe that these two are equal, these two are also equal. That means these two are equal. Now I will take these two triangles. Number 1, 90, 90. Number 2, common side. Number 3, these two angles are equal. Okay, I have not mentioned the law of congruency here. You know that it will be angle, side, angle. Okay, so I will write it here. Angle, side, angle congruency. This one. Now since these two triangles are congruent, therefore corresponding sides will be also equal. So OD equals to DG. Done.